In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. If you're diving into project management tools, Monday.com is a fantastic platform that provides the flexibility and features needed to keep your projects on track. Milestones are crucial moments within your projects, highlighting key achievements or deadlines. So, let's dive in and learn how to set these important markers in your Monday.com boards. First, you'll want to navigate to one of your existing boards. If you're already logged into Monday.com, this is a simple task. Your boards are essentially the home base for your projects, where you consolidate all tasks and timelines. Once you're on your desired board, you'll want to click on it to ensure that you're in the right spot to start setting your milestone. If your board list is long, consider using the search function for quicker access. To begin setting up your milestone, you'll need to ensure that a timeline is present in your table. If you haven't done this yet, adding a timeline column is straightforward. This feature is fundamental as it allows you to visually map out each phase of your project, providing a clear window into what's ahead. Simply go to the column menu and choose Add Column, then select Timeline. You'll instantly see how your tasks unfold over time. Next, direct your attention to the Gantt view by selecting Gantt from the Views menu. The Gantt chart is an invaluable tool for project visualization, displaying your tasks, durations, and dependencies in a timeline view. This not only helps in understanding task progress, but also enables you to spot any potential scheduling conflicts or bottlenecks. Once your Gantt chart is up, it's time to add your milestone. Look for the colored bar on your Gantt chart. This is where your milestone will be visibly marked. By clicking on this color bar, you can input the specific milestone task. This will pinpoint an important juncture in your project timeline, such as a key delivery date or a project phase completion. Proper labeling and color coding can further enhance clarity, distinguishing milestones from regular tasks at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully added a milestone to your project on Monday.com. This simple yet effective marker helps keep everyone aligned and informed about the project's critical moments. Remember, setting well-defined milestones aids not only in tracking progress, but also in celebrating your team's achievements along the way. Hopefully, this walkthrough has clarified the process for you. By incorporating milestones into your Monday.com boards, you will enhance your project management practices, making your workflow more structured and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and keep exploring the endless possibilities with Monday.com to streamline